Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to switch between light and dark mode on your Apple TV. It's a really simple process, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you're on the home screen of your Apple TV. Then, scroll down until you find the Settings application. Go ahead and click into that. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to click on General at the very top of the list. Now look for the option that says Appearance and click on it. By default, your Apple TV will likely be set to light mode. But here's where the magic happens. You can easily switch to dark mode by selecting that option. You'll see the change happen immediately. Alternatively, and this is a pretty cool feature, you can select the automatic option. This will automatically switch between light and dark mode depending on the time of day, using sunrise and sunset times. So during the day it'll be in light mode, and when the sun goes down, it'll switch to dark mode. Pretty neat, huh? Once you've chosen your preferred appearance setting, just back out of the settings menu and you're all set. You can now use your Apple TV just as you normally would, but with your preferred look. And that's it. That's how you change between dark mode and light mode on your Apple TV. A super easy guide, right? If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching.